Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Princess Vaku Angie, and today we are diving into something that so many people have asked me about. How do you actually do this content creation? I want to do it, but I feel like it's a lot of work. How do you cope doing it with acting and cooking, family, blah blah blah? Well, whether you want to start on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or all of them, this video is for you. So why do you want to start content creation? Why does it matter? Content creation isn't just about posting random pictures or videos. It's about building your voice, connecting with people, and even turning it into a career. The best part, you don't need fancy equipment or a million followers to start. You just need the right mindset and consistency. The first step you need to take in beginning your content creation journey is finding your niche. Start with something you love. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy talking about or showing people? It could be lifestyle, food, fashion, travel, or even just documenting your daily life. People connect with relatable stories, relatable things, so choose something that feels natural and relatable. Okay, number two step is to pick your platform. You don't need to be everywhere at once from the beginning, so you can start with one platform, maybe YouTube if you like long form videos, and TikTok or Instagram if you love visuals. You can master one before jumping into others, and if you have the capacity to do all of them together at once, then go ahead. Okay, whatever your strength can carry. But if you can't do everything, so you don't end up being frustrated, if you can't pick up everything, all the platforms at the same time, then start with one, and YouTube is just the best platform to begin with. You can actually have short clips on YouTube. There are YouTube shorts and there are long form videos for you to create, so you don't even have to run to TikTok if you want very short clips. YouTube provides that feature too for your short videos. Okay, and the third thing you need to consider is to start with what you have. You don't need the latest iPhone or camera. Your phone is good enough. Use the natural light and keep your audio clear. Focus on telling the story. Trust me, people care more about your message than your equipment or your gear. If you have good message, good story, good content, the other things will come later. But if you end up having good gear, light, everything, if you even have a studio but your content is not engaging, your content is not relatable, is not strong enough to capture people's hearts, then those things seem useless. But start with what you have, basically. Then the fourth step for starting your content creation journey is be consistent. This is the real deal. Like, you have to post regularly. It doesn't mean you have to show up every single day, but create a schedule you can stick to. Consistency actually builds trust and keeps your audience coming back. They know that, okay, if we are here on Thursday, we'll see this person's video. Even if we are not here, we'll get the notification that this person has posted. If we are here in 2 weeks time, every 2 weeks, yes, we know that this person is there. If we're here every 2 days, we know that, yes, we'll see her content. So just plan a schedule that will work for you and work for the audience. Be consistent. That's the key word. That's the basic thing. Then the fifth one is engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, ask for views, opinions, and listen to feedback. You may not be able to get everyone's advice. You may not be able to implement. You don't even have to implement everyone's advice, suggestions and opinions. Some come as troll, some come as feeling of entitlement and everything. It's a lot coming from your audience. Some may not even like what you do, but they keep showing up and dropping comments. So just reply to the ones you can, but be sure to reply comments and ask questions. Get feedback. Okay, let's your audience feedback also help with your content creation. It's what people want that you're giving them. So whatever they enjoy and they feel okay, they want it this way, sometimes listen to them, and you can, let me not say please them, but just do something they would like to just from the feedback and everything. The content creation is a two-way thing. It's about community, building a community, not just broadcasting. You can't just be giving out without receiving, getting feedbacks. There are some criticisms that are quite constructive and enlightening. So it's not all the time that when people drop comments, they don't like you or they hate you and everything. Most times or sometimes their comments are actually things you should look out for because they are the ones receiving it, they are the ones seeing it. Okay, so your audience opinions matter also. So number sixth step is to keep learning and improving, watching tutorials, following other creators, and always looking for ways to improve your editing, storytelling, or branding skills. Growth comes from learning, so that also helps. Very important. You're not an island, nobody is. So learning from other platforms, other people will go a long way in helping with your content creation. And finally, make sure you are enjoying what you're doing, no matter the amount of effort you're putting in. If not, you'll get frustrated and back out. Be sure you're enjoying it. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start content creation, this is it. Don't overthink it, just start. Remember, every big creator started from somewhere, started from the scratch, and consistency, hard work, and learning brought them to the limelight and brought them growth. Okay, so tell me, which step are you going to begin with today for your content creation journey? Drop it in the comments, and if this video has inspired you to start your content creation journey, do well to drop a comment, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lifestyle and content creation tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.